Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Taskbar settings so you can remove the search control quickly. Right-click an empty area of the taskbar and choose Taskbar settings. This takes you straight to the right pane. Once there, make sure you're on the main taskbar page so you see search listed. You're doing this now to avoid deeper registry edits unless necessary. This first path is safer and reversible. If you can't see the option, pause and check your Windows build number before proceeding. Now disable the search element directly. Under Taskbar items, find Search and switch it off. You'll notice the search box or icon disappears immediately. That's the expected behavior because Windows unloads the component from the taskbar. If it doesn't update, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager, select Explorer, click Restart, and it will refresh the UI. Once done, verify the taskbar looks cleaner. Make sure to leave Cortana or other. Finish by confirming the change persists after reboot, sign out and back in, or restart your PC to be certain. If the search toggle was missing, you can remove it via registry. Navigate to hkcu/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/search and set searchbox taskbar mode to 0, backup first, because registry edits are irreversible without a backup. If something goes wrong, restart Explorer or sign out. If the issue continues, restore the registry backup. This ensures you get the clean taskbar back safely and quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.